So today we're unboxing the DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo. So it comes with additional batteries and some other accessories that we're gonna go over here shortly. Also, had to pick up an SD card, which is most important. Comes in a black DJI bag. Move this to the side. Instruction manual, accessories, some more manuals, extra propellers, USB to USB-C cable, different cables, micro USB, lens filters. So far, got a bunch of propellers, lens filters, different USB attachments. Now we're gonna open the bag. Air 2S, controller. Let's open this, see what's in here. One extra battery, two extra batteries. Yeah, so this is the charging hub. This is the power bank adapter. Something is missing. Here it is. The joysticks, I couldn't find the joysticks. Right there. So instead of me tearing up everything else looking for the joysticks, right there on the bottom. So let's take these out. There we go. They go right there on the bottom. So that's hard. I like that. Please charge to activate the battery before using for the first time and refer to the quick start guide. This is the Gimbal Protector to make sure the gimbal or the camera doesn't get damaged, which is a plus because earlier gimbals that I've used did not have one of these. So I'm ready to use this because of the obstacle avoidance sensors. The old drone that I had did not have the obstacle avoidance. So I'm looking forward to flying this one. And of course, this is the third battery. So now I'm gonna run the firmware updates, do some flight tests. Let's see how it turns out. Make sure you stay tuned, check out the video test.